Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you are well and completing your work on time. Yes, children. Today we are going to start new chapter number 35, similes from our English grammar magic book. Let's start. Children, look at this picture. Do you find any common thing or any common quality between any two objects or any two things? Let's take apples. The apples are red like roses. The drink is as cold as ice. The fire is as hot as the sun. Now, children, do you find any common thing between the apples and the roses? Yes, they both are red in color. So, what is the common thing between both of them? The red color. Now, what is the common thing between the drink and the ice? Yes, they both are very cold. And the fire and the sun, they both are very hot. So children, when we compare two things which have the common qualities, which have the common things between them, so such expressions are known as similes. Let's understand this briefly. Children, take out page number 128, chapter number 35, similes. What is a simile? A simile is a figure of speech or expression that compares two different things using the words like or as. The things being compared must have common quality. Yes, children, in the previous picture, we compared two different things, but they had common quality between them. Yes, children, when we compare two different things, they must have common qualities and we use words like or as. So, let's understand this with few more examples. Zizi is as hungry as a bear. Now, children, here I am comparing Zizi's hunger to a bear's hunger. Zizi is not a bear. Just we are comparing Zizi's hunger to a bear's hunger. So, look at the word which I used in this sentence, children. As. I compared Zizi's hunger to a bear's hunger using the word as. So, this is a simile. This expression, as hungry as a bear, is a simile in this sentence. She is as gentle as a lamb. Now, children, I am comparing this girl to a lamb. What is the common thing between them? Yes, the quality of gentleness. What do you mean by gentle, children? Who is very soft, who is very kind and calm. Yes, so the common thing between both of them, between this girl and a lamb, is gentleness. So, she is as gentle as a lamb. So, this expression, as gentle as a lamb, is a simile in this sentence. And I have used the word as for comparing the same quality between them. The moon shines like a diamond. Now, in this sentence, children, I am comparing the moon to a diamond. Now, what is the same quality between both of them? Yes, they both shine. So, shines like a diamond is a simile. Now, the word like I have used here to compare the same qualities which they both have. The soldiers are as brave as lions. Yes, children, have you seen a lion how he fights? Yes, he fights without any fear, with full courage. So, what is the common quality between soldiers and lions? Yes, their braveness. So, in this sentence, this expression, as brave as lions, is a simile. The common quality is their braveness. And again I have used the word as to compare their same qualities. Okay, children. Now, what is the use of similes? Why do we use similes in our sentences? We can say our sentences in a simple way also. No, but we want to make our sentences more interesting to read or hear. Yes, and one more thing, children, that similes are incomplete without adjectives. Let's see this example. Rahul ate the fruits as quick as lightning. Children, this sentence I can use in a simple way, but I want to make my sentence more interesting. So I used a simile, as quick as lightning. So is it making more interesting to hear? Yes, that's why we use similes in our sentences. So this expression as quick as lightning, this is a simile in this sentence. Now what is the common thing between Rahul and the lightning? Yes, they are very quick. Yes, have you seen a lightning? How quickly he comes out? Yes. So Rahul was eating the fruits quickly. So this is the common thing between both of them. So I used the expression as quick as lightning, and this is a simile. Now, quick, the adjective which is used in the sentence is quick. Now, similes are incomplete without adjectives, children. You will always find an adjective in your sentences while you are comparing two things. Understood? The grapes are as sweet as honey. Now, in this sentence, children, I compared the grapes to honey. What is the same quality between both of them? Yes, their sweetness. So, in this sentence, this expression as sweet as honey is a simile. Yes, and what is the adjective which I used in this sentence? Yes, sweet. Now, remember this thing, children, that the simile is incomplete without an adjective. And yes, the word as is there to compare their same qualities. Children, on page number 129, a table is given, and in that table, a few more similes are given along with their meanings. Let's have a look at this. As big as an elephant. Yes, this is a simile. And what is its meaning? Very big. As black as coal means completely black. As bright as a button means very bright. As busy as a bee means a person who is very busy. As clean as crystal means very clear. As clean as a whistle means very clean. As cold as ice means very cold. As cool as a cucumber means cool. As cunning as a fox means cunning. As easy as ABC means very easy. Now, in exercise A, you have to make your own sentences with any 5 similes mentioned above. One has been done for you. Now, children, you can use any 5 similes in your own sentences. The first one has been done for you. Just before our school annual day, we had so much work that we were all as busy as bees. Means, as busy as means the person who is very, very, very busy. Now, one more simile I have used here in my words, that is, the sumo wrestler in the fighting ring was as big as an elephant. So, I compared the sumo wrestler with an elephant. Have you seen an elephant now, children? How big he is? So, the sumo wrestler was also as big as an elephant. So, the quality between both of them was big. So children, try to do rest of the sentences. Use any similes in your own words and try to make a sentence. Okay, I will be sending you the notes. Bye bye. Good day.